Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I guess it's going to be gift box related. Now, the holidays is coming up. And for me, personally, you know, it's my birthday month, but also it's holiday month. So, I don't only get gifts, I also give gifts during December. But, anyway, so today's video, I am going to be sharing this company that does packaging of like gift boxes, also like jewelry boxes, things of that nature. Now, if you've ever if you're a business, the best way to perfectly explain them, if you're like a business owner and you sell different things, do like for example Alibaba. This company pretty much makes packaging and stuff like that for your business, where you can get a variety of things. So one thing that they had was chocolate boxes, so I decided to collab with them to just share the packaging if anybody's interested for their business. Now, I don't want to butcher the name, I will leave it in the description box, but it's Shenzhen Xin Tianya, sorry, Packaging Co. Ltd. But I will leave the whole full name and everything in the description box so that you guys can check it out. But without further ado, so I decided to choose from their different assortments. I decided to choose a chocolate box. Now they have different chocolates. Now I personally have tried Ferrero Rocher before, but the ones that's normally you get them in the store that has the nuts in them. But I decided to go with this box. So this is the Ferrero Golden Gallery signature. Now I don't think I've ever tried any of these before. It comes with 24 premium specialties, 9 recipes, and it says fine assorted chocolate. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. So wow, 8 servings. That's a lot of chocolate. Oh, they said serving size 3 of these. So 170 calories. Now in the back it does list all the different chocolates. So we have the coffee maestra, the coffee Leonardo, the one with almonds. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and open the packaging. I'm actually going to try some out for you guys because I never tried it. I don't want to eat too much because I haven't had lunch/dinner yet. But I'm going to try 2, maybe 2 of them. Yeah, that's about it, because it says 3 serving, maybe 3. Because I don't want to eat too much chocolate and then be full for lunch. Just gonna go ahead with the scissor. As you guys see, it's nicely packaged. Tapes on all 4 sides, so it is good. Alright, so let's get into the box. Alright, so when I first opened the box, the next thing that I see here, it says Ferrero Golden Gallery. So they actually give you a pamphlet, which is perfect so that I don't have to look at the back of the box. Okay, so they also have this to cover your chocolates. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert this into this because it makes it easy. Now let's get into the chocolate. So I like that they have this little zipper thing so you can kind of just go ahead and open it up. I don't know what I want to try actually, so I'm gonna go, but just so you show you guys the chocolates. I'm just ready to eat it, but let me show you the chocolates. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I'm gonna go in here and actually choose a chocolate from the gallery to see which one I really like. So let's see. I saw one with the almonds. I think I'm going to try that one. That was the, I think. I don't think the almond one's in this one. Alright, so you know what? I'm not picky. This is chocolate. I'm not really picky. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one first. This is the chocolate Sonoto, and it's a luxurious mint chocolate studded with hazelnut and almond bits. Oh, this is the almond one, and finished with a delicate dusting of finely grated white chocolate. So this is what it looks like. Starting to melt. Sorry, I told you guys the wrong one. I'm like, I don't taste no almonds. Sorry. This is the Grandduget Ferrero I'll leave the name in the bottom. It's in homage to Graduate, the solid hazelnut cream created in first Ferrero pastry shop in 1946. This unique creamy confection made with the finest hazelnuts reveals a story of passion and dedication. Now, I did expect this one to have hazelnut in it, but it doesn't. I think I want to try this one next. The dark, no, sorry, this is not dark. This is the milk cupola. This is the last one I'm going to try. Because if I keep on eating this, I'm not going to eat it my lunch. Alright, so this is the milk cupola. It's a rich milk chocolate enrobes feather-light mousse in a delicate sphere, finely scented with a dark chocolate flourish. Oh, that's what it looks like. So they have two similar to this. This is the milk one, and then they also have, I just saw, also have the dark one. So what's different is the lines here is, as you can see, is black. The other one is a like brownish color. Okay. So this one you definitely taste the like stuffed chocolate in it. Honestly, if I don't watch myself, I would eat this whole box. I would definitely share this. This is a nice thing to share as well, or just if I need a little snack. If I don't watch myself, I'll eat another one. But these actually taste really good. Like I said, they actually don't have the one that I'm used to. I don't remember what it's called, but if you've ever been to any like store, whether supermarket or anything, they normally have it. It's the one that has like, it's coated with nuts inside and has like these sprinkles. I don't know how to best explain it. It almost looks like the one I just showed you guys, but a little bit different. But anyway, so I enjoyed this chocolates. I'm going to continue enjoying the chocolates. I will share them so that I'm not tempted to eat all of them. But if you are looking for other assortments, like I said, they have other chocolate boxes. This was not the only one. I was just interested in Ferrero because I've tried only one from them, but I didn't know that they had a different assortment of chocolates. So I want to try this one. But again, I will leave the packaging company down in the description box if you guys are interested and you have a business and you want to try them. And that's all. I don't want to make this video long. I want to try the chocolates out so you guys can see how they taste. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell next to our bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.